Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to use dual camera on Snapchat. Snapchat's dual camera feature allows users to capture content using both their front and back cameras at the same time. Users can capture content from both the front and back cameras simultaneously and also can access creative tools like lenses, AR, stickers, and music. So, to use the dual camera feature on Snapchat, you have to open the Snapchat app. As you can see on the screen, we have already opened the Snapchat app. Then look for the dual camera option by tapping on this section. You'll get to see a dual camera option. Tap on that. Then select a layout of the dual camera for use. So this is how you are going to capture photos from dual camera, and this is how you are going to use dual camera on Snapchat. Thanks for watching.